guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rohini, and in today's video I am so super excited because I'm finally starting my Christmas decorating. And in today's video I will be decorating my fireplace mantle, and this is part of a challenge that's called DIY Christmas Mantle Challenge that is being hosted by Jessica from Measure and Mix and Antoinette from Simply Yet Chic. I will leave their information in my description box along with the link to the playlist, so please be sure and check that out. Ladies, thank you both for hosting. So everything I am using here I have had for a very long time. My garland, I believe it's a 9-foot garland, and the fruit beaded garland you see there, I simply tucked it into the greenery and just used a few of those branches just to tie it in place. The only thing that is new here are those golden candlesticks, and I recently found those at Michael's. They were like 75% off, such a good deal. I think they were like under $9, but they only had two. I was lucky to find them. So I will be using quite a few Christmas trees, and I love trees. I could never have too many trees, and a few of these are actually candles, which I never burn. They're so pretty. I just like to place them all over my home during the holidays. So they're so pretty. So I will be adding quite a few Christmas balls to this garland, along with some really pretty glittery picks, and they're so messy. I have glitter all over my floor, all over my floors, my carpet, and on me too. But I think they're so pretty. I think Christmas is the only time I use so much glitter and sparkly stuff. So I was really happy with the way this turned out. I may go back and tweak it a bit later. I'm always changing my mind with stuff. If I sit there and stare at it, I may take a few things away, add a few things, but for right now I love it. I love the way it turned out. So I'm actually in my living room, and I will be trying to match my tree to this garland. Sometimes I do like when things are matchy, especially when it comes to my tree, my Christmas tree, and if the garland is kind of close to it, I like when it all goes together. So that's the plan behind this. So please check back for that video, which will be coming up soon. So I hope I was able to give you guys some type of ideas when you're ready to do your Christmas decorating. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment, and please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So for the base of the mantle, I simply just use my lanterns for right now. I will add a few more things later, but for right now I kept it pretty simple. So please enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.